another video. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing my dad's makeup. And if you guys haven't seen my shirt already, it says my dad is like gold because he let me do this to his ugly face. So we're going to turn this disaster into a beauty with me. So let's get started. So I'm going to put foundation on. Oh, I can't do your chin because you have a beard. Do you have a beauty blender?
Question for you.
Yeah.
How old are you?
Oh, me? I'm gonna be 9, but I'm 8.
And who showed you how to do this makeup?
No one. Without anybody teaching me because I'm perfect.
Oh, okay. Right on.
Your nose. I don't think my mom has contour, but I was gonna contour your nose.
It burns.
It does?
No.
Oh my god. There's actually your skin tone. Okay.
Never mind.
Yeah. You don't even, I didn't even do your eyes. Now it's for concealer.
Hi.
It's for concealer time for your under eye. You don't need to close.
What are you doing?
Concealer! I need to blend
Is it
it.
supposed to burn?
No. Why is it burning? Don't tell me it's burning, Daddy. I need to blend it with my hand. It's glittery, by the way.
Why do you know how to make up if you're only 8?
Cause next I'm gonna put powder. No, you don't even need to keep your eyes closed.
I don't know, you get a little too close. I'm gonna go blind in this session.
I have the powder.
Is this what girls do? Wow.
Yeah. Well, mommy doesn't put makeup on, but she has all this.
When we go on dates, she does.
Yeah. Oh, we need powder there. So red. Okay. Open your eyes. We are good. Switch the plan. We're gonna shade his eyebrow. So like, I'm gonna draw you a new eyebrow.
Oh my god.
A good eyebrow. So basically, you're not gonna have a bushy eyebrow anymore. And your eyebrows will be darker.
Really?
Yeah. You're gonna look awesome.
Mm-hmm.
You're actually looking good.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad, not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, can I see your camera? Let me turn it to you. Wait, open your eyes.
What the hell is that?
This one's, oh,
It looks like I got bushy eyebrow. It looks like a Kardashian.
yeah. We're gonna make you a Kardashian. Okay, so I need foundation to fix that up.
Oh wow.
I'm fixing,
So girls when they mess up, they like just fix it with more makeup?
yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah. This eyebrow makes me look like I'm sad. Like.
Double personality.
You're like, I'm happy, ready to party, but I'm a little bit down because I gotta pay bills.
Okay, we're gonna fix it with eyeshadow.
Continue, lady. I won't distract you no more.
Eyeshadow. Should we do, okay.
So you're just gonna leave me like this all messed up?
No, the eyeshadow will fix it.
Great, more makeup.
I'm gonna do what they do. Like they make a wing with the eyeshadow and then they put it up. Now we're gonna use a different color.
The other eye.
No, I'm gonna use a different color right now. That was the
Great.
setting. Close your eyes. I'm doing better on you than I did to myself. So you should be appreciating this. Close your eyes. I need to make this one darker. Oh, that was about to fall. Okay.
What the hell?
You can't look anymore until the end. Until the end.
Okay.
I'm gonna put blush on you.
Life has come to this.
Blush. Blush.
Pickles.
It's blush. Love something. Nothing happened. By the way, some of this has a glitter, so I don't know if you're gonna be happy or not. I'll put some blush there. You look good. Doesn't he look good?
It's cold.
I know. Okay, so that didn't work. Open your eyes. Don't open your eyes. I need to fix this.
I feel like it's going in my eye.
It's not. It just feels like that. It happens to me with mommy. Okay, open. Open. Close. Some chunks right there. If this one hurts, I feel bad when I'm gonna do your eyes. Your eye.
When girls wear all this makeup, I already feel weird.
It's not even done yet.
But they look so beautiful.
Ridiculous.
Open. I need foundation to fix that.
You need to start over. Like this, like
No, up.
this.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what is that?
To make your eyes longer. Eyelashes longer.
Really, you gonna put that on me too?
Yeah. Oh. And like,
Okay, how do I go?
up. Look up. Yeah. You can blink.
Careful to not poke me.
Stop. You're gonna.
Oh,
Okay. Other eye. Turn to me.
my eyes feel heavy.
Up.
Oh. My eyes automatically closing. Like, I'm gonna get poked.
Close.
You're gonna poke it.
Close your eyes. I need more on this one. Up. Look up.
Okay, I'm gonna.
You're not done.
Nah.
Look up. Close your eyes. Okay. We're not even done yet, Dad.
God, how much longer? You know, a lot of people try doing this to me, right? Like a lot. Like your mommy tried to do it on me. Like your titi tried to do it on me. Like going to high school and in middle school, girls were like, "Oh, you got a nice face to do makeup on you." I'm like, nope.
Do this.
What I gotta do?
Do this. Oh no.
What?
Like do this. Yeah.
What do you want me to do? You want me to do this? You want me to do this?
No. Sorry. No, I'm sorry. Don't close your mouth. Please don't close your mouth. Like do this all over. I need you to rub your lips together, not right now.
Okay.
Rub them together?
How?
Like tapped it. Okay, stop. Look. That just gave it a little bit more of the.
What do you mean do?
Like what you did with it.
Hmm?
We need the gloss. It's just a gloss to make it shiny.
Oh, great.
Okay. You're actually not bad.
I feel like I'm looking you guys behind a mask.
Like,
That color looks good on you and your beard. Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, girl. Yes.
hey girl, hey. Karina Garcia. You know? No.
I don't know how to look my. Oh, God. No.
Which I will.
No, you better enjoy it right now because you're not doing this again. Okay? So you enjoy it right now, and you make sure you save that video because you're not doing this again.
Yeah, I actually am.
No, you're not.
Some blush on your
I had
nose.
to do this because you're crying. And,
I wasn't crying.
Really?
Should we do his hair?
No.
With
My
this?
hair alone, please.
I need to fix it. To make it look like a star. Are you ready to see
Should I look
yourself?
like a famous person?
So I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Oh, God. What the hell happened to me? What the hell did you do to me, little girl?
Oh, you're so cute. Eyebrows on plate.
Girl, you did an awesome job. Oh my God.
I want to do my makeup to make me look like
For
you.
you girls that were the last time you were doing this, you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Okay, because you better save this video.
Wait, I'm gonna do my makeup so I can look like you.
No.
So there you guys have it. I hope you like, enjoy, and I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys later, and bye.
Bonus footage. You gotta get the.
Why do I look like Cleopatra?
Is that you trying to convince yourself this was cute?
I never.
Get the face wash, and then lather up and put all over your face. I told you that lip color was on point, and wash it off. I'm just